What's good, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. So, new week, new opportunities. The first setup, which I'm already in, is EuroCAD. Very interesting setup because if you look at the daily time frame, first of all, you were creating a series of low lows and lower high, and we did break above this ranging level. Also, you can see that we had these big bullish candles, which signal there's a lot of momentum coming into the market. On the 4 hours, same thing, ranging market, break above, retest with a huge wick towards the upside. So there's not more, um, let me say, not more things that you need to be looking at in order to take this trade. If you have a little pullback in the bullish engulfing, that could be really interesting. Secondly, AUDCHF. When you look at a daily time frame, we are definitely bullish, and on the 4 hour, we are bullish as well, but I don't like these reach towards the upside. So I'll be waiting for more confirmation, maybe a day or two, in order to enter the trade. But if you look at the fundamental part, Trump did cancel his strikes on Iran, which is really good for the market. So we'll probably have a risk on environment. Swiss franc is a risk off asset. Australian dollar is a risk on asset. AUD NZD, this one's not ready yet because I'll be looking for a break, retest, and a continuation. But before that, we should have a shift of structure, which is not going to happen right now. AUD CAD, this one's I'm interested, but I don't really like it. The reason I didn't like it, if you look at the 4 hour, we are creating a series of lower highs, regardless the fact that the 4 hour is bullish and this is a nice area of support. Also, if you look at what I've said, if you heard what I've said, Trump did actually cancel his strikes on Iran. That's gonna trigger the oil prices to go down, and the Canadian dollar is correlated to the oil prices. So if oil prices drop, Canadian dollar does the same. It follows. Euro GBP, I'll be interested in two longs because the Bank of England did not came up hawkish as expected, and also they did open a door for rate hikes, but they are not in a rush to go for rate hikes, contrary to the Euro Central Bank, fully priced in, which have a fully priced in rate hike on September. And this is a nice area of support, which has been rejected multiple times. Euro AUD, this one is the most interesting one. First of all, Euro is hawkish. The Euro Central Bank is hawkish. The RBA is hawkish as well, and both of them do actually benefit from a risk on environment. So if we have a higher rally and then a pullback with a nice entry signal, I'll be interested. CAT CHF, this setup could be really interesting if we have a pullback towards this level because oil prices and Canadian dollar are correlated. So if oil prices go lower, Canadian dollar follows. CAT CHF could be really interesting. Last but not least, CHF JPY. If we have, which I'm really not sure is going to happen, a pullback towards this level of support, I'll be interested in taking the sales. Why CHF JPY? Because the operation of the Bank of Japan, which goal is to strengthen the Japanese yen, is still going on with the U.S. officials. So you should expect a hawkishness, not a strength of the Japanese yen this these two upcoming days, like Monday and Tuesday. So CHF if we have a pullback towards this level, I'll be interested in taking shorts. So hopefully I have a great trading week and pay attention to these setups. Moreover, AUD CAD, AUD NZD, and AUD CHF could create a really interesting um, opportunity this week. And you guys have any question, y'all can follow me on Instagram, Telegram, or on my X account if y'all want to know new things.